guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on the ZELUS weighted vest. I really love this vest, guys. I use it all the time to go running. A lot of people like using it to work out, to do push-ups, to do pull-ups. Now I especially love using it to go run because it has the little reflectors here so that people can better see you whenever you're out jogging. It has some in the front, it also has some in the back, and in the back it also has the little mesh pocket here so that you can hold your phone or hold some snacks whenever you go out running or whenever you're working out. So this is the 12-pound one, guys. It is super heavy. I can barely pick it up with my hands, but whenever you put it onto your body, it distributes the weight very well, so it feels less heavy even though it's the same weight. Now I really like the little strap that it has here, guys. All you have to do is just strap it on, and also you can just tighten it or you can also loosen it depending on your preference. I also like that they have different weighted vests. So they have some with more resistance, some with less resistance. It looks very nice. It fits very well, guys, and I would definitely recommend it.